Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Good morning. I hope you all are doing well. Please take your book and get ready for a fun lesson on multiplication. Let's make sure we're all being good friends and helping each other learn. Today, we're going to fill in some missing numbers and learn about a special multiplication rule. Let's open our books and get started. On book page number 79, Missing Numbers Balloon. This page is like a fun puzzle where we have to find the missing numbers. The numbers are hidden inside the colorful balloons. Let's solve them together. In question A, we have 4 times 5 equals 20. So, the missing number is 20. For B, 3 times 3 equals 9. We need to think, how many times do we need to count by 3 to get to 9? Let's count. 3, 6, 9. That's 3 times. For C, 6 times 2 equals 12. Let's look at the others. For example, in M, we have 6 times 5 equals 30. And in P, we have 4 times 5 equals 20. We can count by 5s to find the answer. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's 4 times. You'll solve the rest of the puzzles the same way. Just think about what number is needed to make the multiplication sentence true. On book page number 80, Multiplication, Vertical Form Memo. This page shows us a different way to write multiplication problems. It's called the vertical form. It's just like how we write addition and subtraction problems. The T stands for tens and the O stands for ones. This helps us keep our numbers neat and in the right place. The first example shows 5 times 3 equals 15. Let's look at A. It says 5 by 2. We already know that 5 times 2 is 10. So we write 0 under the ones and 1 under the tens. For B, we have 8 by 3. Let's count by 3s. 8 times 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So the answer is 24. Let's try C. 5 by 4. Let's count by 5s. 4 times 5, 10, 15, 20. The answer is 20. You can do the rest by counting the groups, just like we did before. On book page number 81, Multiplication by Zero Prohibited. This is a very important page that teaches us a special rule about the number 0. Look at the pictures of the tiger, the crocodile, and a dill. They all have no money, which means they have 0 rupees. If we add their money together, 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. This is the same as saying 3 groups of 0, or 3 times 0 equals 0. The special rule is, any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. It doesn't matter if it's 10, 100, or a million. If you multiply it by 0, the answer is always 0. This is because you have 0 groups of that number. Look at the problems on the page. A. 6 times 0 equals 0. Circa 0 times 1 equals 0. D. 5 times 0 equals 0. E. 11 times 0 equals 0. F. 10 times 0 equals 0. B. 2 times 0 equals 0. E. 0 times 20 equals 0. F. 15 times 0 equals 0. You all are doing so well. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep reviewing your